Tezos' way of brilliance was difficult by any means. Be that as it may, notwithstanding all snags, the digital currency was picking up speed quickly. 2 years after the send-off, XTZ has been recorded on more than 10 monster crypto trades, including Changelly. We will inspect XTZ intently and furnish you with a far-reaching cost expectation about Tezos' digital currency. How does Tezos function? Tezos is a blockchain network for sending off decentralized applications and executing brilliant agreements. Admittance to the program code is open, and every client can take part in the framework modernization. The multi-stage design of Tezos permits clients to refresh the organization without hard forks. The framework is partitioned into 3 modules: the organization module, the exchange module, the agreement module. The code of the blockchain biological system is written in the OCaml programming language, which makes it conceivable to autonomously update every one of the convention levels. In 2014, Arthur and Caitlin Breitman had a plan to make Tezos. To send off their task, they held an exceptionally fruitful ICO in 2017. The couple figured out how to raise $232 million, making it the biggest ICO around then. Be that as it may, because of inside issues, the execution of the undertaking was deferred. In this way, the coin never entered the trades at the named time. This caused alarm among the financial backers, and a few court procedures were started against the task pioneers. In 2018, a beta variant of the venture was delivered, however it didn't figure out how to save what is happening. Misdirected financial backers raced to sell their tokens for an amazing bargain, looking to return speculations, which caused the breakdown of the conversion scale. The fluid proof-of-stake agreement calculation permits each coin proprietor to partake in baking. This is the very thing the Tezos network calls handling exchanges and producing new blocks. To heat, you want to introduce a full hub on your PC and present an application on the authority side. Bread cooks are compensated with XTZ coins. In the event of an endeavor to swindle the framework, sanctions up to store seizure are forced. Tezos Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Tezos costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Tezos will be $1.44. The greatest level that the XTZ cost can reach is $1.67. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.49. Likely return for money invested: 68.7% by XTZ value conjecture for January 2023 in light of the value changes of Tezos toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical XTZ pace of $1.04 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 93 cents and at $1.07. Separately, likely return for money invested: 8.1% by February 2023. Tezos value figure digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the XTZ cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.01, while the most extreme could reach $1.13 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Tezos may be around $1.06. Likely return for capital invested: 14.1% by XTZ value conjecture for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Tezos in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XTZ rate they foresee may be around $1.10 in WALC 2023. It can drop to $1.05 as a base. The greatest worth may be $1.18. Likely return on initial capital investment: 19.2% by April 2023. Tezos value gauge around mid-year 2022. The XTZ cost will be exchanged at $1.13 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Tezos worth to $1.22. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $1.08 in April 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment: 23.2% by XTZ value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Tezos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $1.17. The most reduced and top XTZ rates may be $1.13 and $1.27. Likely return for capital invested: 28.3% by June 2023. Tezos value figure crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the XTZ cost will be around $1.22. In June 2023, the Tezos cost might drop to at least $1.18. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.33 in June 2023. Possible return for money invested: 34.3% by XTZ value estimate for July 2023. Having examined Tezos costs, digital currency specialists expect that the XTZ rate could arrive at a limit of $1.37 in July 2023. it may, nonetheless, drop to $1.23. For July 2023, the Guaj normal of Tezos is almost $1.27. Likely return on initial capital investment, 38.4% by August 2023. Tezos value conjecture around mid-2022. The Tezos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.32. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the XTZ cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $1.27 and $1.44. Likely return for capital invested, 45.5% by XTZ value estimate for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Tezos worth won't dip under at least $1.32. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $1.49. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.36. Possible return on initial capital investment, 50.5% by October 2023. Tezos value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of XTZ costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Tezos will be around $1.56, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.37. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $1.41. Possible return on initial capital investment, 57.6% by XTZ value figure for November 2023. In view of the value variances of Tezos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical XTZ pace of $1.44 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1.39 and at $1.62. Separately, likely return for money invested, 63.6% by December 2023. Tezos value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the XTZ cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.44, while the most extreme could reach $1.67 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Tezos may be around $1.49. Expected return on initial capital investment, 68.7% by Tezos value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Tezos in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Tezos will be around $2.04. The most extreme expected XTZ cost might be around $2.52. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $2.10 in 2024. Tezos value expectation 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Tezos in 2025, XTZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $2.91 and $3.54, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $3.02. Tezos value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Tezos and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026,